Today I will teach you how you can use Filmora split function. Let's take a start. First of all, open this Filmora. How to use split in Filmora. Let's start this video. Double-click this media. Select one video. Click Open. Click the mouse right button. Select Import. Select Image. Click Open. Click the mouse right button. Select Import. Select one more pic. Click Open. Click the mouse right button. Select Import. Select one more video. Click Open. Click Split Screen. Scroll down. See the different split screen. Select one split. Select and click the mouse left side and move to the right side. One image grab and drop the one split screen. All images and videos grab and drop the split screen. Here you can look at. Ready this video. Resume this video.
So, this was the Filmora
Split function
setting. Hit subscribe button, and ask any question in the comment section. See you in next video.